Welcome to the final challenge of Insta Mega Games brought to you by Mega, the newest and most innovative postpaid plan by Celcom. On my left, Team Blitz.
Woo! 3, 2, 1, Blitz! Ha!
On my right, Team Power. That's quite an entry. Today, you're going to have to cook by watching a recipe video. But the catch is, you cannot rewind, replay, or stop the video at any one time.
Oh, there we go.
Go get ready, guys. Come on, chop, chop.
So you want to keep it simple? You cook?
I will cut stuff.
Okay.
Culinary school, guys, come on.
That's your degree.
For 1 year, you know. Didn't finish, but at least you got me.
Okay, gini guys. Oh, kena cakap perlahan Aku makan je boleh?
Boleh, tak ada hal.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay.
Yongzhou fried rice.
You know this?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
this too easy. Mi goreng.
Potong tu reti ke tidak?
What's your plan?
Okay, I'm gonna fold it after that.
Okay.
Throw the prawns in and the chicken ham. After that, the rice goes in.
Jangan sebentar dulu. You need the eggs first. Hang on.
That's right.
Oh my god, the video's over.
Oh, teki terus. Carrot bake.
We've gone past 4 minutes. Too much, too much. That's going to be really salty. Taste it first. Blow it. I told you.
I mean, I wish we could help you, but...
Can we do any?
Oh, why did we do this?
Hang on, relax.
Sebab udang goreng tepung lah. Dia tepung tak muat tu. Sikit. Sebab udang goreng tepung.
Hey, wait, what are you all doing? This is the worst kitchen I've been in. What is this?
Go away!
You have about a minute left.
Oh my god, where's the piece? What?
Oh my god!
5 seconds to present your dish and clean up your kitchen. 3, 2, 1. Time's up! How was the challenge like?
You know how like last time Arnold didn't show up with the bicycle? This time he earned his keep, bro. He
Look
showed
at
up.
his face.
Good job.
Look at his egoistic face. It's lovely.
Yeah.
How's the challenge for you guys?
This is what you call miracle.
Rasanya macam agak gempak
Baguslah.
jugalah.
So can we call it nasi goreng gempak? No.
Ini nasi goreng
Mega! Okay, but here's the final test, guys. You are going to taste each other's cooking.
It's actually not bad.
Not bad. Right in.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Unlimited experience.
You did it. That's not cooked.
Not very cooked.
It's not cooked at all.
It tastes like it just came out of the freezer.
Now that we are at the end of the final challenge, I'm sure you guys can help our audience understand which pass to choose to suit their mobile habits.
Semestinya.
If you're a content creator, choose unlimited pass.
Yeah, if you're a music or video streamer, choose the speed pass.
Kalau anda kerap menggunakan social media, pilih saja Pass Unlimited. Kalau anda suka bermain game, pilih Pass Speed.
Yang terbaik tentang Pass Speed, anda boleh tukar internet yang tidak digunakan dengan ganjaran wang tunai melalui e-wallet boost anda 10 GB untuk RM5 cashback.
No matter which you choose, you can enjoy unlimited internet with Malaysia's widest network. Search Celcom Mega or go to celcom.com.my.
Choose Mega, choose to be unlimited. Till the next time!
Team Power. Shooby-dooby-dooby-dooby-doo-dooby-doo.
You can have that.
Okay.
You can have that.
Okay, let's go home, guys.